At number 3, we have the Canon PowerShot V10. The PowerShot V10 excels as a dedicated vlogging camera with its built-in stereo microphones and wind filter for clear audio capture. This compact camera features a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K 30p video and 15.2 megapixel stills through its fixed 19mm wide-angle lens. The 2-inch touchscreen display flips 180 degrees for easy self-recording. The camera includes digital image stabilization, face tracking autofocus, and 14 color filters for creative control. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable direct streaming to YouTube and Facebook via the Canon Camera Connect app. The integrated stand eliminates the need for additional accessories, while the non-removable battery provides approximately 1 hour of 4K recording time, and heat management can limit continuous recording to about 23 minutes. The camera supports microSD cards and offers plug-and-play webcam functionality for streaming.